Wireframe 3D plot. Wireframe plot takes a grid of values and projects it into the specified three-dimensional surfaces and can make the resulting three-dimensional forms quite easy to visualize. From MPL underscore toolkits dot MPlot3D import access 3D import MPlot MatPlotLib dot MyPlot as a plot dot figure. Okay, graph some test data x comma y comma z test data 0.05 plot a basic wireframes x dot plot wireframes x comma y comma z rs tried and cs tried equal 10 pl plot dot show. This is the graph. Surface 3D plot. Surface plots are the diagrams of the three-dimensional data rather than showing the individual data point. Surface plots shows a functional relationship between a designed dependent variables and two independent variables x and y. The plot is a companion plot to the contour plots from MPL underscore toolkits dot MPlot3D import access 3D import MatPlotLib dot MyPlot as a plot and import CM. Okay, MatPlotLib.ticker import liner locator form str formatter import numpy as np figure equal to plot dot a figure fig dot add subplots projection 3D fig dot gca projection 3D. Okay, np dot a arrange and np dot a range np dot mass grid np dot square root np dot sin surface equal to x dot plot surface x comma y comma z cmap dot equal to cm dot cool warm line width equal to 0 anti aliased equal to false set l z lim. Okay, set x axis z axis dot set major locator set major formatter and color bar sir shrink and aspect plot dot show. The tri-surface 3D plots. The triangulations of the compact surface is the final collections of the triangles that cover the surface in the space way that each points of the surface in the is the triangle and the intersections of the two triangles is either void a common edge or common vertex. A triangular is called a tri-surface. Okay, this is the command. N underscore rad equal to 16 n underscore angle is equal to 16. Okay, these are the input values angles np dot repeat. Okay, and convert polar codes to the Cartesian codes manually added at this stage, so there will be no duplicates. The append sin figures and subplots. So this is the plotting graph and a contour 3D plots. A contour line of functions of two variables is a curve along with the which the function has a constant value, so that the curve joins points of equal value. It is a plane sections of the three-dimensional graph of the function f parallel to the plane. A contour plot is a graphical techniques for representing a three-dimensional surface by plotting constant z slices called contours on a two-dimensional format, that is given a value for z. Lines are drawn for connecting the x, y, connecting where that z value occurs. Okay, from MPL toolkits import access 3D from MatPlotLib.pyplot as a plot and from CM. Okay, these are the plots and finally we got this is the results. And filled contour 3D plots. This is the type of contour plots where each 3D artist is filled from MPL underscore toolkits dot MPlot 3D import access 3D. Okay, filled is filled. This here we need to change this code here. And this is the contour. This is the kind of a contour plots. Polygon 3D plots. Polygon plot is a type of 3D plots where the artist can be different shapes and sizes from the sizes with no restriction on the shape or size of any artist. Okay, this is the code. This is the code, and if you see in the down, this is the output of this one. Bar 3D plots. A bar chart or bar graph is a chart or graph that represents the categorical data with the rectangular bars with the heights or length proportional to the values they represent. Okay, this is the bar 3D graph. This looks like this one. Next is the QR 3D graph. This is the code and this is the QR graph. Okay, next. Okay, so conclusions. We studied Python MyPlot and Seaborn